Okay, so let's get this out of the box. I don't think there's anything else holding things in the box. We just remove tabs and open it. Ooh, this is exciting. It's exciting. So what do we have here on the right side here? We have a massive remote control. I guess the battery's in there. I don't see any special things. Oh, this thing here has a screw, but I'm guessing it's probably one of those internal batteries. So how do you charge it? I'm guessing this thing here looks similar to a bunch of the other ones that we've seen before with beta flights and beta FPV and stuff. So it feels pretty nice in the hand. It's a little bit larger than what I expected, but I'm pretty sure that it's gonna fly great. So I'm gonna hand this over to my little helper here while we take a look and see what else is in the box. Ooh, this looks cool.
Likey